Welcome to Advanced Risk Management Tips. This video is packed with insights for both beginners and seasoned pros in the crypto world. In the first half, let's break down risk management into simple terms. Think of it like a safety net. Just as a tightrope walker uses a net to catch them if they fall, traders use risk management to protect their investments. Imagine investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum. The market can be wild, right? That's where risk management comes in. It helps traders decide how much to invest and when to pull back. Visualize a pie chart. Each slice represents a different investment. Diversifying or spreading investments across various cryptocurrencies reduces risk. If one coin drops, others might rise, balancing the loss. Next, consider stop-loss orders. Picture a safety switch. Setting a stop-loss means automatically selling a coin if it drops to a certain price. This protects against major losses. Now let's talk about position sizing. Think of it as how much of your pie you're willing to risk. A good rule is to never risk more than 1-2% of your total capital on a single trade. As we transition to the second half, let's dive deeper for experienced users. Advanced risk management isn't just about protecting capital, it's about maximizing potential gains. Consider using trailing stops. This feature allows a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the market price is moving in a favorable direction. If the price reverses, the trailing stop closes the trade, locking in profits. Next, leverage can amplify gains, but it also increases risk. Experienced traders often use leverage strategically, ensuring they understand the potential for larger losses. Another tip is to regularly review and adjust risk management strategies. The crypto market is ever-changing. What worked last month might not work today. Staying adaptable is key. Finally, always keep emotions in check. Fear and greed can cloud judgment. Using tools like trading journals helps track decisions and emotions, leading to better choices in the future. As this video wraps up, remember that effective risk management is crucial for long-term success in crypto trading. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights from the Crypto Genius channel. Stay informed, stay smart, and happy trading.